Hi, my name is Buck Bonner and I work for MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia. I'm standing on the back of the 2019 Tige R21. It's one of my favorite boats in the Tige lineup. It's a very well-performing boat, lots of space for passengers, easily trailerable, very versatile. So as you notice on the back of the boat, we have a big swim platform, lots of space to put your boards on or just hang out during the summer days when you're swimming. You've got two nice storage compartments here that can double as seats. So if you have a lot of people hanging out, you can sit there. Great storage for your ropes. Pop-up ski pylon, tucked out of the way when not in use. You've got transom walk-through, which is a big feature in my opinion. That way you're not having to step on your vinyl when you're going in and out of the boat. Nice big storage compartments on either side of your engine compartment. It's got a Raptor 400 engine. You also have access to your plug-and-play bags, which this boat has. As you move into the cockpit, you notice lots of space for a 21-foot boat. You have your M2 tower, which is a manually folding tower. Makes it very easy when you're trying to get under bridges or put it into tight storage compartments. You have your M2 board racks as well, which allows you to get your boards out of the cockpit of the boat where the people are and get them up out of the way when they're not in use. You have your wet sound speakers here on your tower as well. It's a phenomenal sounding stereo system. Lots of storage on this boat. You have hinged storage compartments, synthetic teak flooring, synthetic teak basically throughout the entire boat. Massive storage compartment here on your port side as well. The boat's going to come with a cover for the cockpit and cover for the swim platform. This boat has your Tige Touch 7-inch screen. All the major functionalities of the boat can be controlled from right here. You also have access to your rear-facing camera, access to your rider presets, access to your stereo system. Everything on the boat is built in right here. Flip-up bolster for your captain's seat. It can rotate, go forward and backwards. You have your cell phone holder here with your audio hookups. You have USB and auxiliary. Great spot for your phone. That's unique to Tige boats as well. It's very functional when you're out there on the water. Bow, lots of bow space for a 21. You've got your walk-through with storage and or built-in cooler here. And then for a 21-foot boat, it's a very deep bow, deep and long. So you can put a lot of your friends up here for a 21-foot boat. I think this is the total package. Come take a look at it with Buck Bonner at MarineMax in Cumming, Georgia.